In this video, we are going to be checking out the best 5 electric guitar under 500. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification, as it will help us grow. So let's get started with video. Number 1. LYX Pro Electric Guitar. Complete Guitar Set Ultimate Starter Package includes full-size guitar and all the parts and equipment they need to rock straight out the box. Perfect choice for novice and intermediate players. 39-inch electric guitar, perfect for beginner and intermediate players. Plug-in guitar features high-quality materials including premium rosewood fingerboard, Canadian maple neck, volume/tone, SSS pickups, knobs and more. 20-watt amplifier with cable pack includes 20W amp with built-in speaker, headphone jack and AUX input for playing along to music on phone or MP3 player. Integrated controls include gain, bass, treble, volume and grind. Number 2. Fender Electric Guitar. Adding value to your purchase, Austin Bazaar bundles your instrument with necessary accessories. The included Frontman 10G amplifier is the perfect companion for jamming thanks to its AUX input that allows you play along with your favorite songs or backing tracks, as well as a headphone jack for silent practice. A gig bag is included so you can keep your instrument safely packed away when you're on the go. A Fender instrument cable is included so you have an extra. An easy-to-use Fender clip-on tuner is included so you can keep your instrument in tune. A Fender guitar strap is included so you can practice or better yet perform while standing up. Picks are included so you can start playing right out of the box. An Austin Bazaar instructional DVD is included so you can pick up some tips while learning your new instrument. Everything you need to start playing immediately comes in one box. Number 3. Donner Electric Guitar. HSS pickups create 7 modes. Tones. Donner's HSS designed to enhance the performance of professional musicians. The special Donner HSS pickups made in Korea have more power output, more distortion to create 7 modes tones to meet your multiple needs. With Donner DST 400, you will be closer to your dream of being a professional musician. Donner Coil Split System Push-Pull Tone Knob yields a convincing single coil effect. Give you classic guitar with unbelievable clarity, unlocking single coil tones without any volume loss. Vintage style hardware using vintage style tuning machine and tuning peg machine heads. Donner DST 400 electric guitar brings you the most classic beauty from the string to the bridge. With the vintage and elegant exterior design, you will have a more unique and precious experience. C-shaped neck profile, AAA Canada maple neck made in satin finish, is smooth and durable. Number 4. Donner DST 100S Guitar. SSH pickups. Donner electric guitar has 2 classic single-coil pickups and 1 Power 203S humbucker pickup. 5 ways pickup switches and 2 volume and tone controls for choosing. Suitable for both beginners and professionals. SSH pickups are not just perfect for a Texas blues/rock sound, but for other musical styles too. Canadian maple neck with C-shaped profile. Donner DST 100 beginner electric guitar bundle uses Perilla wood fingerboard, solid basswood body, Canadian maple neck with C-shaped profile, classic design, comfortable fit. 22 copper nickel frets. The 39-inch electric guitar features a pickup selector switch, a volume knob, and 2 different tone knobs. 22 copper nickel frets with fret position marks on the neck and top of the fingerboard, and also is smooth and friendly to your hands. Number 5. Gretsch Electric Guitar. Whether bluesy porch pickin' or speakeasy swingin', the G9520E Gin Ricky acoustic/electric with Deltalux sound hole pickup is a real gone fingerzinger classic. Inspired by the Gretsch Rex parlor guitars of old, the Gin Ricky whisks you back to the halcyon days when the earliest Gretsch guitars fueled many a barrelhouse barn burner. Fun, flip and finely crafted, it features an X-braced basswood body with a powerfully resonant voice, a C-profile NATO neck that joins the body at the 12th fret, a smooth walnut fingerboard with 18 vintage-style frets and pearloid dot inlays, a top-load walnut bridge with compensated synthetic bone saddle for even intonation all along the neck, and more. And coolest of the cool, the Gretsch Deltalux acoustic magnetic sound hole pickup reproduces a crisp yet throaty voice. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.
I should fuck her in the Benz.